Okay, it's on.
What's up, guys? So David's got like 2 days of spring break left, and so we're going to have some fun before he goes.
At the expense of some guys over there.
At the expense of some guys over there. You can't see because you can't see. But we've got 2 air horns. David showed them the good air horns. You guys remember the golf course air horn prank? Well, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're using 2 air horns instead of 1.
Because, so, you know, it's just better that way.
It's louder, it's more annoying.
The guys from Jackass, they used 1, and it was cool. They got balls shot at them, they got clubs thrown at them, but
yeah.
We can only imagine the carnage if we're doing double dose, so.
So,
enjoy.
Sit tight and get ready to have your face blown off.
Finish your chicken.
Alright. Alright, so we're here at the golf course now, and we got some Muppets over there, and we're about to beat them. So.
He's teeing off. Here you go. Gonzo.
Okay. So we just... This guy got so mad. His friends were laughing their butts off. I blew the horn right before he teed off. And all the friends start cracking up and he's like, I'm gonna hit you with my effing ball if you don't cut it out. So... Oh man.
So he did it again and the guy drove a golf ball at us, but he missed by like 100 feet. Here's the golf ball the guy just drove at us. As you can see, we were way over there, so he missed by a mile. We're just waiting for the next victim. Anytime now. Sorry, there's brush in the way, but it's the best shot I can get. He's getting ready. Lines up to take a shot. Man, I'd be a really bad golf commentator. I don't know when they're gonna shoot. Here we go. He shook his ass. That means he's getting ready to shoot. Okay, so we've had a slight change of location. We're now over here. There's a big tee-off zone. David Gonzalez is somewhere, I don't know, down there in the brush. And well, really, we're just gonna try to, I don't know, screw with people golfing over here. It's gonna be great. Oh God, this will be good. He sees it. This is funny. He sees it. I'm laughing too hard.